Hi there everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to do two things. The first is to upload an assignment into Canvas, and the second way is to see how you can view your grade and feedback on the assignment that is uploaded. So I've logged into my canvas.wayne.edu account and I have selected on a course. This one in particular is known as my practice course. Okay, this is the one that I kind of do experiments and things in to make sure things work right. At the top, you're going to see a module that says where you will turn in hand-in homework, and this will be the exact module that will appear in your course. You'll notice that there are two assignments listed, number 1 and number 2. Number 1 I have already turned in, okay, theoretically, and number 2 is the one I'm going to show you how to do this. And so what it shows you here is the due date, April 10th, and then how many points the assignment is worth. So what you do is you just click on assignment number 2, okay? And you notice it gives you the due date, as well as how many points it's worth, how to upload, or at least how to submit the file is going to be an upload for a file. And then I give you some written instructions there, okay? Make sure answers are in supporting work are legible, and this is a PDF or a Word document. And then what you'll do is you'll just simply click Submit Assignment, and it opens a window in which you can choose the respective file, put in a comment for me, and then actually submit the file itself. Okay, pretty straightforward. Now there's another way to access this. If there maybe are too many modules on the screen, if you click Assignments, which is just under Home on the left side, it'll open up a little bit of a different window, and it shows you the upcoming assignments. These are the ones with due dates that have not passed yet, okay? Now, if you notice assignment 1 says 10 out of 10 points, that's because it is already graded. And assignment number 2 has a little dash line there with 10 points. That means it hasn't been graded yet or hasn't been submitted. And so what you do is you just click assignment number 2, and once again, it opens up that window. Okay, so pretty straightforward. Now, after I grade the assignment, what will happen is you will get an alert, and on Canvas, what will happen is next to grades, there'll be a little number 1 or my number 2, depending on how many assignments I actually grade, okay, for you. And what you do is you'll click grades, and you'll go to assignment number 1, okay, which is already graded. And you'll notice that it says score 10 out of 10, and then there's a little comment on the right side here. If you click that, you see I put a comment which says nice job, and when that was written. And then there's also an option for you to write a comment back, which I'll show you how to do in a second, which says thank you, okay, by the quote-unquote test student. Now, if you want to view the actual written feedback that I have provided, what you'll do is you'll click on the assignment name, which in this case is assignment number 1. Okay, and you'll see here where it says add a comment on the right side. That's where you can actually write in a response back to me, okay, if you need to. You can always email me as well. Then there's the option to view the feedback. Okay, clicking on that opens up another page, and then you can see any of the written comments that I posted on there. I'm just playing around with my tablet here. And so you can see I put good, and then there's a check mark that's there. And there may be other feedback and things that I can provide. So this is how you're able to view the assignments, okay, at least with the feedback and things that I provide in a written way.